Hello guys, today I'll walk you through a step-by-step on how to properly open a Binance account. As you may know, Binance is one of the best and most trusted cryptocurrency exchange globally. So quickly, let's just go to Google and search for Binance. Click on the very first link that appears, binance.com. Click on that link. Guys, you are all welcome to the world's most advanced, most secured, most trusted, and the best user-friendly platform globally. So this is the Binance interface. In reality, Binance has a lot to offer, which we cannot cover everything in this video. Today, we are mainly going to focus on the account opening process. In our subsequent videos, we will go into the other things that you can do with this Binance platform. So to open an account, you just click on sign up with email or phone. You can also see it here, register. Any of them works. Let's click on it. You can choose to use your email or your phone number. I have created an email purposely for this video, and that is what I'm using for this account creation. Now, after you input your email, you now have to input your password. Be careful here because you have to make sure the password you are providing is very, very strong. It is not a password that is easy to guess. Also, do not disclose your password to anyone because that person can easily log into your account and access your funds. You have to know that Binance, once you open the account, is one of your properties. If you put money there, you don't want anyone to get access to that. So let's provide a password here. Let me show the password. CFX. Now, once you start typing the password, Binance will give the requirement. You need a minimum of 8 characters, at least one number, and at least keys. So let's make the first letters capital so that we satisfy the upper keys. Next ones will be small letters. So now we have CFS tutorials, but we can still see that we have not satisfied the number. Okay, we need at least one number. So let's just input 2022. In your case, you have to be using all the special characters, okay? The hash, the @ the underscore, all those ones, so that you have a very strong, solid password, okay? All right. So let's leave it this way. After you provide the password, you will just agree to the terms and conditions right here and click on create personal account. Once you click on create personal account, a verification code will be sent to your email. Check your email and provide that code right here. In my case, the code is 304062. After you provide the code, you click on submit. And hooray, guys, you have successfully created a Binance account. The next step is for you to verify the account. For the verification, you will need your ID card. It could be any national ID, it could be your passport or your driver's license. So if you have it, if you already have it with you, you just click on verify now. Then you select your country. I'm in Ghana, so I have Ghana selected already. You choose which ID you are going to provide, whether you have a national ID, you have a passport or driver's license. You just have to select one. In this case, I choose passport. Click on continue. You'll be asked to provide your name and some few other details. Okay, then you continue. Now this is where you'll be asked to upload the passport. Okay, if your laptop or the device you are using doesn't have a camera, you can decide to continue on the phone by downloading the Binance app and you continue the verification on the phone. Now notice here that the account has already been created. What we are doing now is the verification. The verification just to let them know you are the true owner of this account. Once your account is verified, you can now do all the activities that you want to do on the platform. That is how you create a proper account on Binance. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video.